Hey everyone, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures. In this video I'm going to give you a quick room tour of the king bed room here at the Park MGM in Las Vegas. So let's go ahead and get on with the tour. Alright you guys, this is the king bed room at the Park MGM on the 18th floor, room 18305. Alright, walking in, same as the two king bed, we have the restroom, same layout. It's a nice shower, towels, hair dryer, total toilet. Then we have a sink, one of those mirrors, and it is a sliding barn door, as mentioned before. So here you have your different drawers, your dresser, your luggage rack, ironing board. So there's that, ice bucket, 2 cups, hangers in the safe. Then over here, it opens up into the main room. Artwork on the wall. A huge couch. Easily fit 1, 2, 5, 6 people. An extra chair. A nice table. Lighting. It's the window. I'll show you guys the view in a minute. And then on this side is the king bed. And of course you have your little nightstand on both sides. The telephone's on that one, and they both have their own USB and regular outlet there to charge all your devices, so that's always great. We have the television. So here from this side we have the TV, a mirror, and the bed. And this is the view from this room. It's a strip view. Pretty cool. It's a Waldorf Astoria, Park MGM, and then there's the MGM New York marquee. So this is again the king room, Park MGM. Please make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.